Recently, lots of you have been complaining that it's hard to make money on Monetag and also that they will block your account. So, I decided to make this video for you so you can learn the best strategy to use to start earning without the fear of getting your account blocked. On my screen, you can see the dates on my statistics are recent in this month, and I'm also going to filter the date by today. So you can see there's no trick anywhere. As you can see that today, I haven't received any traffic yet and my statistics is 0. So keep watching as I show you the best strategy to use when doing media buying for any direct link and not just Monetag. Now I'm going to show payment proof of all the payments I've received so far, have been able to earn and withdraw over $55 in total. Also, if you look at the payments section, you'll see the list of payment have received this month. Also, I will show you the payments from the last 2 months. As you can see, all the listed payments I've received so far, including this month we are in, and I also got paid on the 6th and 20th of this month of April, which is just a few days ago. And you can also see the paid amounts display on the screen, and for those curious why I wasn't pushing much if it's working for me, well, I think you should know that when doing media buying, you have to take things slow and then scale up with time, and that's how you optimize your earning and CPM. You test every strategy and choose the one that works and stick with it, then scale up from there. Now, I will go copy the direct link URL that I want to be promoting and send traffic to, and then show you my own strategy that I use myself. Alright, this is the site I use for traffic source. A lot of you might say you've tried it before, but the truth is, y'all don't know how to use it. Firstly, I will place an order by selecting the direct link arbitrage traffic service. Enter your URL in the link and enter the traffic amount you want. I will advise you select all countries at first. Reason is to understand which countries gives you good CPM, and it also helps optimize your account for high CPM potential. You can also choose tier 1, tier 2, or tier 3 if you want, but like I said before, I recommend you select all countries first. Then when you've received enough traffic, you can then filter the statistics by countries and target the countries that gives you good CPM. Have placed an order, and as you can see, on my Monetag dashboard, there's no traffic yet. So I'm going to wait for Monetag to update the statistics once traffic start coming in, and that should take about 20 to 30 minutes depending on Monetag themselves. Alright, it seems the traffic has started coming in, so now I'm just going to refresh the page to see. Right, as you can see, there's 223 impressions already and 236 sent. The CPM should be about over $1, which means I'll earn $1 for every 1K impressions I receive, and there's still possibility that CPM will go up above $1. Now that's how media buying works. In my next video, I'll show you how to use this strategy for Adstera, or you can comment down the ad network you'll want me to try this traffic on. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.